Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Mr. English Learning Center, the place where learning English feels simple, natural, and enjoyable. I'm Jessica.
Hi, Jessica, and hello to all our amazing listeners tuning in today. It feels great to be back with you all.
It really does. How are you feeling today, Mike?
I'm feeling wonderful. Thanks for asking. I enjoyed a good breakfast and a large cup of coffee.
A big coffee is always the perfect start to the day. I'm feeling great too, especially because I'm excited about what we're talking about today.
Same here. So, Jessica, what's today's topic?
Today, we're diving into something incredibly useful: daily English conversation practice.
That's a fantastic topic and so important for everyone learning English.
Absolutely. We're going to explore simple and practical ways to practice English every single day, using real-life situations.
I love that. Small talk, everyday conversations, the kind you use all of the time.
Exactly. But before we jump in, we have a small favor to ask.
Yes, if you enjoy learning with us and you like this episode, please take just 1 second to hit the like button.
And don't forget to subscribe to the Mr. English Learning Center. Your support helps us so much. Also, feel free to share this episode with a friend who is learning English too.
Thank you, everyone. Your support means a lot to us.
All right, Mike, let's begin with daily conversations. Where should we start?
Let's start with a situation almost all of us experience: buying a coffee.
Oh, yes. My favorite activity every morning.
Same here. And it's a perfect moment to practice English. Let's try a role play. You're working at the coffee shop and I'm the customer.
Hello, welcome. What can I get for you today?
Hi, can I have 1 coffee, please?
Sure. Would you like it hot or iced?
It's a sunny day today. I'll take an iced coffee, please.
Great choice. What size would you like? We have small, medium, or large.
Medium, please.
All right. 1 medium iced coffee. Would you like milk in it?
No, thank you. Just black.
No problem. Anything else? Maybe a cookie or a sandwich?
A cookie sounds nice. Oh, wait, do you have banana bread?
Let me check. Oh, I'm sorry. We're out of banana bread today.
Oh, that's okay. I'll just take the chocolate cookie then.
Perfect. So that's 1 medium black iced coffee and 1 chocolate cookie.
Yes, that's correct.
Your total is $6.
Here you go.
Thank you. Here's your cookie. Your coffee will be ready in 1 minute.
Thank you.
Medium iced coffee?
That's me. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a wonderful day.
You too. Goodbye. And scene.
Wow, that was a full conversation right there.
Yes, and the phrases are incredibly simple. 1 coffee, please. Do you have? I'm sorry, we don't have. How much is it? Here you are. Have a nice day.
These phrases are so powerful in daily life. And remember, please and thank you always make conversations warmer and friendlier.
Okay, we practiced coffee. What's next?
Let's try another common situation. Shopping for clothes.
Ooh, fun. This time I'll work in the store.
Perfect. I'm the customer and I want to buy a shirt.
Hello, can I help you with anything?
Hi, yes please. I'm looking for a t-shirt.
The t-shirts are right over here. What color do you like?
I like blue or green.
We have a really nice blue one. Take a look.
Oh wow, that's a beautiful shade of blue. I like it.
What size are you? Small, medium, or large?
Medium.
Here's a medium.
Thank you. Can I try it on?
Of course. The fitting room is right over there.
All right, I tried it on. It fits perfectly. I love the color.
It looks great on you.
Thank you. How much is it?
This one is $15.
$15. Okay, I'll take it.
Great. Will you be paying with cash or card?
Card.
All done. Here's your t-shirt and a bag.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're very welcome. Have a great day.
Thanks, you too. Bye.
We're pretty good at shopping conversations, Jessica.
We really are. And the important questions are simple. Can I help you? I'm looking for... How much is it? Can I try it on? I'll take it.
Very useful phrases for real-life situations. Now let's move to something different. What if I'm lost?
Oh, yes, asking for directions. That can feel scary sometimes.
Definitely. You're in a new city and nothing looks familiar.
Definitely. The first words should always be, excuse me.
Right, it's polite and gets attention. Excuse me, I'm lost. Can you help me?
That's a very good question. Or you can ask, excuse me, where is the train station?
Where's the big museum?
Where's the bathroom?
Very necessary question. Okay, so you ask, excuse me, where's the train station?
And you answer,
Oh, it's easy. Go straight,
go straight, okay.
then turn left.
Turn left,
The station is on the right.
on the right. So go straight, turn left, it's on the right.
Exactly.
And then I say, thank you very much.
And I reply, you're welcome.
See? Not scary at all.
Yes, most people are happy to help. Just speak slowly and politely.
I'll remember that. Now, what about meeting someone new?
Ah, like at a party or a new class.
Exactly. It's more than just saying hello, and many people feel nervous.
I do too sometimes, but it becomes easy once we practice. Let's role play. We're at a party and we don't know each other. Hello, my name is Mike.
Hi, Mike. I'm Jessica. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Are you enjoying the party?
Yes, it's lovely. The music is great.
I agree. So, Jessica, do you live here?
No, I'm just visiting. I live in the next town.
Oh, really? And what do you do?
I'm a writer. And you?
I'm a teacher.
Wow, a teacher. That's wonderful.
And just like that, we're having a conversation.
Yes, it becomes easy when you ask simple questions like, what's your name? What do you do? Do you live here?
Another great topic is hobbies.
Right. People love talking about what they enjoy. So, Mike, what do you do in your free time?
In my free time, I like reading books and playing the guitar.
You play guitar? That's amazing. I love music.
Thank you. What about you, Jessica? What are your hobbies?
I enjoy hiking and painting. We should go hiking together someday.
That sounds like a great plan.
See? We just became friends.
Exactly. Hobbies help make conversations fun and easy.
Now let's practice making plans with a friend. Imagine I'm calling you. Ring, ring.
Hello?
Hi, Mike. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm great. What's up?
I was wondering, are you free on Saturday?
Saturday. Yes, I'm free in the afternoon. Why?
Do you want to go to the park? The weather's beautiful lately.
Going to the park sounds perfect. I'd love to.
Great. What time works for you?
Is 2 p.m. okay?
2 p.m. is perfect.
Awesome. Where should we meet?
Let's meet near the big clock tower by the park entrance.
The big clock tower. Got it.
Perfect. So Saturday at 2 p.m.
I'm excited already.
Same here. Okay, I need to go now. See you on Saturday.
See you then, Mike.
Bye. Let's try again. Ring, ring.
Hello?
Hi, Jessica. Are you free on Saturday?
Oh, Saturday. I'm sorry, Mike. I'm busy that day. I'm visiting my family.
That's okay. How about Sunday?
Sunday works. I'm free on Sunday.
Great. Let's go to the park on Sunday.
Perfect.
Now let's talk about one of the most common conversation topics, the weather.
Ah, yes. Classic small talk.
Exactly. It's the easiest way to start a conversation.
You can just smile and say, "It's a beautiful day today, isn't it?"
Yes, it's lovely and sunny.
What if the weather is bad?
Even better, people love talking about bad weather.
True.
You can say, wow, it's so cold today.
Yes, I need my big coat.
Or, I can't believe this rain.
I know. It's raining so much. I need my umbrella.
Now we should learn how to end a conversation politely.
Yes, Saying goodbye properly is very important.
So what should I say?
Give a small reason, like, well, I have to go now. I need to get to work. Or, I'm meeting a friend. It's getting late.
And then add something friendly. Like, it was nice talking to you. I enjoyed your conversation.
And finally, a warm goodbye. See you later. Have a nice day. Have a great weekend. So, Mike, it was really nice talking with you today.
It was great talking with you too, Jessica. I feel even more confident about speaking English now.
Me too. And we hope everyone listening feels the same. Remember, the most important thing is to try.
Yes, don't be afraid. People are kind, and a simple hello and a smile can start a whole conversation.
Exactly.
All right, that's all for today's episode.
Thank you so much for joining us here.
We hope you enjoyed practicing with us. Don't forget to subscribe.
And hit the like button if this episode helped you, and share it with your friends so we can all learn together.
And we have a small question for you. Tell us in the comments, where do you practice your English?
Do you practice at a cafe, at work, at the park? We'd love to hear your stories. Writing in the comments is also great practice, and we love reading what you share. All right, I have to go now.
Okay, Jessica, have a wonderful day.
You too, Mike. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye for now. See you in the next episode.